Boy, I never had so much fun with a pressure washer. Let me tell you, I'm trying to get you onto this. It's some kind of giraffe tool. Yeah. Am I crazy? Yo, we put the pressure washer to the test, and it did a great job, man. Cleaned everything. Like, I thought this was gonna look terrible, but look at that. That looks like a brand new battery. I just washed it. Benny said he got a beat maker. It's super small, and he's gonna play off of his Echo radio thinger.
Oh fuck, that's why. It's coming out of the fucking...
Bro, this guy never figured it out. Yo, he finally got it. He came over here to find me. Well, where's the sound? Sounds like an elevator. Yo, right now, this hose reel is leaking water onto this machine that we just got. And this is working very good. But now that water is falling on it, I don't know how long it's gonna last. And we need to fix this. Benny's out here. Benny, you wanna buy this?
Thinking about it.
Oh yeah? You know what that switch? Don't don't hit that shit. Don't hit it, cause you might. We're gonna try this. And guess what? On this truck. On this truck right here. Let's see. Look how clean that came out. See that? CJ's metropolitan. See that? I mean, yo, some people won't want you to show them that CJ's, you know? You gotta understand. There's a whole business of polishing these things. These guys, they're gonna pull out that engine in this truck. We're gonna come back and check them out and see where they get. So they're gonna do this too soon. Finish this up. And you gotta change that bumper. I can't wait to see this car. Yo, we went to Snap-on. I got this. Yo. Damn, that wheel is, you stuck. Yo, this right here is stuck. It's super lightweight.
I pick up 4 fucking sockets or 4 sockets wrong.
But he got this jacket.
Yeah, that? Apron.
Apron.
When I do
It's
any
fire,
fucking
though.
job now, watch him. He come out.
It's fire, it's fire.
Take the job away from me.
Why are you taking it off? Yeah, bro. Come on, yo. I gotta get this for the YouTube, bro. Benny's working on this carburetor right here. I don't know what he's doing. He took it apart. He got a carburetor sound. It's like an attachment for his motorcycle. You look at this? Yo, we here with Benny. Benny took apart the whole carburation.
I think I found a problem too, bro.
What is it?
These jets right here for idling, them shits were clogged up.
Yo, we here. They took apart the engine. Took it all apart. Wow, we looked on the oil. It looks good. So we're gonna have to be continued here because we don't know what's going on yet. I gotta go back to the shop, yo. The glass man is there.
Pretty much.
Yo, this man is changing the glass here. Somebody broke his truck to get his tools. We got Glass Monkey in the house.
What? Bring the...
Yo, we out here. Look at this. He got some greens.
Compost.
Compost?
For the veggies.
He brought compost for the garden.
For the veggies.
But yo, look at this motorcycle, boy. Bro, he almost flipped over. I believe that shit is really, really fast. Yo, we here with this guy still. He's doing Honda Odyssey front windshield. Watch how easy these guys put this glass in.
Alright, come on. Over the blue, please. Wait. Ready? Come on. Right we go.
We're gonna wash it right now, man, quick, 2 minutes. Quick wash, let's see. Not bad versus what it was looking like. I tried to dry it. Not bad. Yo, we just pressure washed underneath here. It's like, it's super minty, like it's super clean. Really good. It looks really good. I mean, compared to what it was. It's like oil everywhere. Nah, I gotta get this video. Look at how bro welded his skateboard rack. Look at this. The rack is welded here at the top. And then look at where he welded it. And then wonders why it's breaking. Do you understand why it broke?
It's on the swing arm.
Yo, I cleaned under here. Bro, I want to shout out Giraffe Tools. We got something. And I don't know what it is. Let's see. Damn. It's a Pika. But I'm not gonna lie. I made a mistake. It's the pencil style, but it's not the regular pencil. It's the square style. I needed the pointy one. I made a mistake. But hey, yo, this car is shining. Rose, look at this. I just cleaned the damn car. Look at this. My God. So I decided to help Bernard. Benny, what's the name of this thing again?
Against my will.
Nah, well, we had to help you after seeing this. What's the name of the company?
Fairdale.
Fairdale? Fairdale.